What's going on, Tectonic family? Happy Halloween. Hope all is well. Hope you had a good weekend. Mine was great. I threw a big old party. A lot of hood rat things going on in this house. It was a great time. But the last video we did, we talked about Tectonic, such as when it was crashing and going down. I think it went down like over 15%. And we was talking about if you sold, if you actually bought back in, did you take some profits? And I've been debating lately if Tectonic is a hedge to Bitcoin. So when Bitcoin go up, does Tectonic go down? And if Tectonic go down, do Bitcoin go up? That's what we're going to look at in this video and just do a price update. So crypto, hell, what I just do? Crypto as a whole is basically in the green just a little bit. Just a little bit, basically even. You look at Bitcoin is down in the red. You got Ethereum down in the red. You got BNB been going hard. I'll tell you guys in a different video why BNB been going hard. You got Dogecoin is up. So you have a mixture. You have more meme coins is going up. You got Avalanche popping. A few things. Now when you look at Tonic, Tonic is up 4% right now. And that is within the last day. Let's see in the last hour. Last hour it's actually been going up. And you see the last week still up 18%. And this one you're seeing that crazy drop all the way up right here and drop down. Now this is best case scenario. This looks strong as hell because when it dropped like this, what happens is a lot of people panic, a lot of people sell. So usually it can spike back up to like right here, then crash down more and start going down like that. But for it to crash down, get its resistance, get its bottom, and literally start trending right back up exactly how it was doing. So this shows a few things. First, you see the coin volume is under 1 million. So we're back under a million, but that's irrelevant. That's cool right now because it's going to grow back. But it shows a lot of people didn't just sell their stuff and ran. People sold and bought back in. The community and stuff been strong right here. So this is actually real good to see when you compare to the big boys. So let's look at some of the big boys. Let's look at we'll look at Ethereum. Look at ETH. As you know, ETH been going hard. So you looking last day down in the red. You looking last week 17%, I mean basically 17%, but 16%. The last month 18%. Last 3 months down 4%, and it get worse from there. So and ETH been going good. So Tectonic is technically not doing bad at all. Now the main thing I am seeing is meme coins. Meme coins have been rallying. So you got the first, I'm going to do a separate video about Dogecoin and stuff because Dogecoin is going hard, and that's mainly because of Elon Musk news. But what I'm looking at overall with Tectonic is if you are heavily invested in crypto like I am, where you spread it out, say for example I got Solana, I got ETH, I got Bitcoin, you got a lot of strong cryptocurrencies. And let's say for next month we have a red month, we have a negative 10% month. It's a possibility can Tonic have a plus 10 or 11%. So this is a lot of opportunity to get in because the 500 that I invested in, remember, it went to $600, then it went down to 4 something. Let's see where we at right now. 503. So we are back in the green with Tectonic right now. I got 3 billion. We are back in the green that quick. So I didn't sell when it dropped down. I'm debating on buying more. I might do $100 increments instead of a $500 increment so I can spread some money out to some different cryptos that's actually going down, probably like Solana and stuff. But I'm going to probably add another $100 in probably later on today or tomorrow. Let me know what you're doing. Just want to do a quick update video. It's looking like it's a good thing to have outside of just Bitcoin and Ethereum. So talk to you guys soon. Hit that subscribe button. If you're not subscribed, it said 80% of people that watched my videos last month wasn't subscribed. Hit that damn subscribe button so we won't have no problems. Thank you.